Hello! So recently I've been getting a lot of questions about how I make these symmetrical drawings, and the most common question is what app am I using? So Procreate is what I'm using for this, but a lot of drawing apps support this feature. So I know Sketchbook, for example, also has this feature, but since I'm using Procreate, I will be demonstrating how to set up the canvas to do this in Procreate specifically. So first of all, we'll make a canvas. It doesn't have to be a square canvas, that's just what I normally use, but today we'll just do screen size canvas. And then up in the top left, you've got the wrench. So let's click that, and then drawing guide. So turn the drawing guide on. Oops, I've just lost my menu. Then edit drawing guide is what you want next, because by default you'll just have this grid, which is not what we're using for this, but down the bottom you'll see symmetry. So click on symmetry, and then yeah, by default it'll just mirror your drawing once, so left to right. But if we go options, you can change it to either horizontal, which will do up down, quadrant, which will do up down and left right, or radial, which is a lot more. So the other thing you want to do is click this assisted drawing toggle on, because otherwise it will show the lines, but it won't actually mirror your drawing with lots of extra strokes. So yeah, then turn the thickness down to none, and you'll have a nice clean canvas there. So just click that tick in the corner, and that will apply the drawing guide. Now I'll just change my brush color to black so you can actually see things. Boom, cool patterns, really easy. And of course the other thing people have been asking is what brushes I use. So it's these three here, which are modified versions of some brushes which come with Procreate. So I will share these in the description. You'll be able to find links to download them. But yeah, just an oval one. Oh, I'll make it slightly bigger so you can see it better. Whoop, just kind of like that shape. And then we've got the smoky one here, which is the one I've been using the most recently. And then another smoky one, which, I mean, it looks pretty similar to the other one, but the taper is slightly different. So yeah, cool. Catch you later.